Welcome to the revolution in agriculture, where AI, drones, and precision farming are transforming the future of food production. Today, let's dive into the key developments driving this agricultural tech boom, from autonomous systems to data-driven insights. By 2035, the robotics in agriculture market is projected to reach a staggering $183.03 billion US, up from $18.84 billion US in 2025. So, what's fueling this growth? Increasing adoption of precision agriculture, labor shortages, demand for autonomy, and the quest for higher productivity with lower costs. And if you're watching the Inference for the first time and you're into AI news, tools, and tech breakdowns, do hit subscribe. We drop a fresh one every day. Agriculture is shifting toward data-driven decision-making, where technology enables smarter, more efficient farming practices. Market growth projections show a robust CAGR of 23.28% from 2026 to 2035, with hardware leading the charge at 58% market share. Technologies in use include AI, drones, GPS guidance, IoT sensors, and more, all working in tandem for precision farming excellence. Leading the pack are Deere & Company, AGCO Corporation, and CNH Industrial, innovating the path to a high-tech agricultural future. This isn't the future of farming, it's the present. AI, drones, and precision farming are revolutionizing agriculture worldwide today.